let's check out what's happening this week at Bied Paradise, Route 130 North in Burlington.
Oh, this is a hyacinth macaw. He is sold. He's going to a wonderful family. We have 2 that are sold right now, and we have 2 in our nursery that are going to be in the store very soon. They're very beautiful. They make wonderful pets. Lovable big giants. Okay, so here's some of the birds we have this week. Here's some senecals. These are African species of birds. We have some senecals, some Myers. Whoop, the hyacinth wants to get in the picture again. Hello. We have some severe macaws over there. Those are babies that are both sold. These are caiques, playful little comics. Down here we have some more macaws, some different types. This is a green wing macaw. That's a scarlet macaw. We have a military. We have some blue and golds. These are all babies, even though they're pretty large. They're actually only about 11 to 14 weeks old. So they're still hand feeding on formula right now. But they are full grown. They won't get any bigger. Moving on down here, we have a Hans macaw, little mini macaw. This is a hawkhead parrot and some more caiques. These hawkheads are great little guys. They have the personality of a caique. They're real playful, lovable, friendly, and they put their mane up when they're real excited. Hello. Here's some more hawkheads. Hello. White-headed pioneers. We have an Illiger's macaw. We have some Amazons, a yellow-shouldered Amazon. Some more caiques. Hey! And a severe macaw. There goes the mane going up. Isn't that beautiful? Hi! Look how pretty! More macaws. These are a little bit older than the little babies over there, but they're still babies, and a lot of these are still being hand-fed. This is a blue-throated macaw. These are blue and gold macaws. And here's some more macaws. These are all a little bit older. Most of these are sold and are just waiting to go home to their families. It's a green wing. Another scarlet, it's blue and gold, another blue-throated. Hello. And over here we have our Amazons. Lots of Amazons. We have a Mealy, some Red Lord, Yellow Napes, some Blue Fronts. Hello! Hello! These guys are great talkers. They're comical. They're loyal. They make great pets. This is a toucanette, eating his fruit and his rice. Down here. Here we have some Nande conures, some sun conures, some green cheek conures, Gende conures, some caiques. All wonderful pets. Here's some baby sun conures. These are still hand feeding. They're very sweet. These are great birds for kids to have. The sun conures and the kites. Here's some lories. Okay, this is a Moluccan cockatoo. These are extremely lovable. They're big fluffy teddy bears. They can be a wonderful pet for the right family. However, it has to be the right family, as all of our birds here are placed with hopefully the right family. There is a bird out there for the right family, and we are all about placing the right bird with the right family. When you come to Bied Paradise, we educate the customer. We help you decide which bird is right for you. We like to place the right bird with the right person, and we like to match them correctly. Having a bird is like having a child, and they need to be raised correctly, and we help you learn what you need to do. So this is a Moluccan cockatoo. They're quite beautiful and lovable and friendly, and they can make a wonderful pet to the right person. Here's some more Moluccan cockatoo babies over here. Hi. These are rose-breasted cockatoos. They're also known as gallas. Now, cockatoos come from Australia. These guys are super friendly. They are independent, a little bit more independent than the rest of the cockatoo family. Cockatoos in general require a lot of attention. These guys tend to play a little bit more independently than the rest of the cockatoo family, but they still have that personality that the other cockatoos have. Still friendly, playful, lovable, affectionate. Come here, baby. Here we have a Gotham's cockatoo and a lesser sulfur-crested cockatoo. Over here we have something a little bit more rare. This is in the African parrot species. This is a Cape parrot. Very beautiful, not so common, very friendly, talks a lot. Another Moluccan. We have a citron cockatoo, umbrella cockatoo, Triton cockatoo, all different types of cockatoos. Come here, baby. Hello. That's an umbrella cockatoo. Can you take him? Hi. Very lovable and affectionate. Hello. And here we have a Ducrops, another Moluccan, Triton. Yeah. The cockatoos are full of personality. They love to hang upside down. They love to play. They're very affectionate. They can make wonderful pets for the right family. Yes. They are like little children. This is our small bird room. Finches, canaries, cockatiels, and we have a pretty large turnover of these types of birds here because we do have our own breeding farm. And you can come in any time and pick out which types of little birds you like and stop in and see a large selection.